Hey guys, we're looking at 5 brands that could take a fresh new look. Whether the logos are outdated, lack personality, or don't resonate with their own audience, we're giving them a modern makeover using Picsart. Let's get started. First up, we're gonna go with eBay. Everyone loves eBay, we all love eBay, okay? But that's been around for a long time. While their logo is iconic, it can feel a little bit busy and their typography can use a refresh. We'd refine it with updated typography and a sleeker color palette, while still keeping those recognizable colors. With Picsart, you can experiment with color combinations, fonts, and clean lines to give eBay a fresh, polished identity. Voila, this is the eBay that I want to buy used stuff from. Next up, we got Starbucks. Starbucks, coffee chain that's been going around for ages. Not my cup of tea, not my cup of coffee rather actually, but still, nevertheless, I feel like the branding can use a bit of an update. A refined, minimal version can give it a modern twist without losing its essence. What if we simplified the intricate details to make it more versatile while keeping that unmistakable green and white look? Let's go. Using Picsart's shape tools and overlays, we can simplify and refine details, giving Starbucks a contemporary edge. What do we think of that one, guys? I feel like I want to get a coffee from them guys now. Now let's talk Rare Beauty. They've got a strong brand identity, but what if we played with typography and subtle gradient to give it even more a luxury feel? A full shift in color tones and font weights could make the brand even more appealing. With Picsart, adjusting fonts and adding textures can elevate any brand, make it look even more high-end. Next up, Jaguar. We all know what Jaguar did. Again, not my cup of tea, okay? They lost that cap. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and modernize it, but we're gonna modernize the original logo. With this one, I'm gonna keep the cat. I think the cat is important, but what we might try and do is just try and play around the typography and make it a little bit more modern and a little bit more appealing to the sort of luxury brand that it belongs to. With Picsart, you can recreate and modernize iconic logos using precision tools and effects, making the design feel cutting edge. Finally, Gap. They've been struggling recently with their brand, trying to make it more relatable to Gen Z, but they're missing the mark. Their logo feels a bit too basic, lacking energy and personality. A bold, vibrant design with fresh gradient and modern typography. With Picsart's font library and customization tools, we can add energy and sophistication can help the brand finally resonate with the younger audiences. So there you go. 5 brands with 5 rebrands, all done with Picsart. What do you think? Which one needs the biggest update? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.